In last video, I showed you how to make this wine glass from a curve. So today we are going to learn the light and shader of that. Let's go to the modeling section. So here I add a new part. This is for the wine. So this you can make from the glass only. You need to copy a part from here. Then you can create this wine. So first we need to add a light and the camera for that. So what we can do, press Shift A, then go to the light section. After that, you can use a sunlight for that. So from this angle, you can add a light on that. Press Shift A, go to the camera. Then you have to go to that camera view. For that, you can go to the view, then camera, then active camera. Then you have to press N, then just camera to view. Click here, press N again. Yeah, so this is our model. So before I already made that shader, so we can delete it. The wine shader also we can delete. I'm going to give a new shader for that. Click on the new button. So from that principal BSTF, we can make it glass BSTF. IOR value you can give 1.65, or else you can play with that also. Roughness value, we need to keep little low. Yeah, looks good. Now we need to make that wine. So just select that model, give a new shader. First we are going to give a wine color, so it will be little dark red. Then the roughness value should be less, and the metallic value you can give it little bit. You have to use a HDRI. So for that, go to this world section, and then already I used HDRI. So I'll show you how to do that. Hit on the new button, new image we are going to give. This one I'm going to use here. Yeah, so this is my HDRI and this is my output. You can use your own HDRI for that. Hope you like it. If you have any doubt, just comment in the comment box. See you in the next video.